Hi guys, today we will be reading Mr. Sneeze, the book that I'm holding right now. Ignore this, I don't know what it is, because I've had this book for so long. So let's get reading. See, in my last video, Mr. Nosy, I put Mr. Happy coming soon on it, so it will be coming soon. This is Coldland, which is a country somewhere near the North Pole. The weather in Coldland is winter all the time. When it's snowing, it's freezing, and when it isn't freezing, it's snowing. So you can imagine how cold this is. Because it's so cold in Coldland, everybody who lived there is cold as well. You can tell if somebody comes from Coldland because everybody there has a red nose. You're probably Rudolph Sibbles then. And people in Coldland aren't the only ones with red noses. In Coldland, you see red-nosed dogs chasing red-nosed cats, cats chasing red-nosed mice. In Coldland, you can even see red-trunked elephants. And what you hear is most of the time is in Coldland noise that sounds like this. The sound of a sneeze is very common indeed in Coldland, which is not surprising, isn't it? Is it? A tissue! This is the story of Mr. Sneeze, who lived in a small snow-covered cottage in Shivertown, the capital of Coldland. If it's called Shivertown, it must be very cold. Every morning, Mr. Sneeze woke up, sneezed, got up, sneezed, got dressed, sneezed, went downstairs, sneezed, ate his breakfast, sneezed, and went to work, still sneezing. I don't like this sneezing all the time, he thought to himself every day, until one day he decided to leave Coldland and try to find a cure for the sneezes. So that very same day, Mr. Sneeze packed the things he'd need for his journey, made me handkerchief. Sneezed, locked his front door, sneezed, and set off. He walked and sneezed and walked on his way across Coldland. And then he sneezed and walked and sneezed, and for days and night and days, until Coldland was far behind. As he walked away from Coldland, he noticed that there was less and less snow, and eventually he walked so far that there was no snow at all. As he walked, he noticed something else. He wasn't walking and sneezing. He was walking and walking. For the first time in his life, he wasn't sneezing. Not at all. Not a bit. Not even the tiniest a tissue. That is the weirdest smell I've ever seen in my life. What's a cold? Asked Mr. Sneeze. A cold is what you catch when you're too cold, said the wise old wizard wisely. Oh, said Mr. Sneeze, but I come from a country called Coldland, where everybody is too cold all the time. Nonsense, snorted the wizard. it can't be too cold all the time because of the sun. And he pointed to the sun, which was smiling in the sky with a big smile. But why is all nice red there and now it's blue there? But we don't have any sun in Coldland, said Mr. Sneeze. No sun! Exclaimed the wizard. How extraordinary! We'd better do something about it then, hadn't we? Yes, agreed Mr. Sneeze, not quite knowing what the wizard was talking about. For how far away is the place called Coldland? It's miles and miles and miles away, replied Mr. Sneeze. In which direction? Asked the wizard. Mr. Sneeze pointed. It shouldn't take long, said the wizard. Then waved his hand, muttered some magic words, which would have been magic if we told you what they were. Whatever those magic words were, they worked. Before you could say sneeze, both the wizard and Mr. Sneeze transported to Shivertown, which you remember is the capital of Coldland. As usual, it was snowing. I say this is a cold, gloomy place, said the wizard. A tissue, replied Mr. Sneeze, who had started sneezing again. Coldland certainly needs some sunshine, said the wizard, and that's going to take some rather special magic. Please hurry up, said Mr. Sneeze, who was rapidly turning into a snowman. Now, said the wizard, ignoring him, I'm going to say some magic words, and I want you to sneeze 3 times immediately afterwards. The wise old wizard then held up his magic wand and muttered some magic, which if we told you what they were, which again wouldn't be magic if we told you what they were. A tissue, sneezed Mr. Sneeze. Then, quite suddenly, as if by magic, which indeed it was, the sun came out from behind a big black cloud, and it stopped snowing. There now, said the wizard, that should stop the sneezing. And then, after muttering some more magic words, and without waiting to even say goodbye, he disappeared. Mr. Sneeze just stood there in the sunshine, watching the snow begin to melt. After that, sunshine every day. And today, Coldland isn't anything like it used to be. You can't see red-nosed dogs titching with those cats and red-nosed mice anymore. These days, the sound of the sneeze is very uncommon sound indeed. Even Mr. Sneeze doesn't sneeze anymore. And it isn't the only thing different about Mr. Sneeze. He discovered himself when he looked in the mirror one morning. Can you see what was different about him? His nose is blue. also happened one other time too. See if you can find the page where it was. I think I know where it is. Somewhere. Here. This page right here. There you go. And bye guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe. Bye. Peace.